Yeah. Maybe a little bigger. Whoa, oh my, nice trout. Come on, take it easy. Get tired. Ooh, it's a beautiful trout. I don't lose it. Oh my. All right, look at that.